one's human. No, I ain't checked that. I don't really know what it is still. Two people. Go. What are you doing, man? Trying to avoid. Way too obvious. I mean, if I shot instantly, I guess it would have been.
Strategy of going for two people and putting them on death hooks, since it helps with going back and forth with the traps by giving you wall hacks, since it's easier to tunnel two people and then win by going for a third.
How long does the aura last? I'm pretty sure it only lasts like a very, very short amount of time. So you'd have to be very close. Take off the gem, please. They really want to get it. It's a ruin. Ruin really makes people just want to get the gens. It's kind of funny. I'm not happy they got that though. I don't think a gen is worth one hook. It actually isn't. You want to get about 3 hooks per gen for it to be worth, which is really unrealistic, but. Push her up as well. I'm not getting any devour. Now that's one. That could be plaything. Or devour. We're going to put a pen pit so they stop. And hope that they haven't hit devour yet. I think they've hit devour. Yeah, we got unlucky, they hit devour. But now we can play closer to hooks though. They're trapping her for a smart. 2. I got a doll here. I need to just commit to this whole loop and wait until she breaks it. Oh, it looks like she has something. Okay. Felt like someone will be healing her for a second. Oh.
Hi True can play twins please with Deathbound Force Penance Gift of Pain and Painrees with any choice of add-ons thank you.
It was that. You got it. This loop is so broken, Burst Slinger. Nice. Who is this? Okay, no. Oh, it's not the one I want. This. I wanted number 3, but I don't know where she just went. Oh well. She got away, I guess. Yeah, that loop back there is super broken, Burst Slinger. Super broken. Literally can't do anything. You just have to like keep going around until they put the pallet down. It's just closed off and it's too high. But they don't design maps to be fair for all killers, do they? They just design maps and then, you know, some killers are really good on them, some killers aren't. And that's it. It is weird that they don't put like a hole in there or something though, so Deathslinger can do something. That's him. I don't know where number 3 went. We needed her as well. Who's that? Number 4 again. He's gonna finish that. Someone's on there. Ideally, we need to find number 3 though. This is where sound's super important. Could have had that.
Wesker, Irrevile plus your choice.
You
Flux,
go, man.
Bloodhound, Plaything, Spies, Healing or Green Morn. Thank you for the streams.
So I mean, with the holes, well, they're quite important. I can't fucking pick her up. She's teleported. Who's that? Is that a? Is that number? Whatever she's called. That's why sounds are super important, by the way. She was just kind of hovering there, completely mute, and they could just come out and get a flashlight save. Or a flashbang save, because they made everything like super easy to hit now. Cool. We needed her when she were around here, but sadly they were at a proper busted designed loop for this guy. There she is. I wonder if she's been here all this time. That one. She has string burst? No. I don't want a loss, so I'm coming here to see if I can get her. Yeah. And she could have just body blocked her as well. Yeah, this loop fucked us. In hindsight, maybe we should have just left it. And she's disappeared because they're completely silent. They're shown on the map to everyone else as well, so you as killer need to like listen for like a sound where you can't even hear. And they see all the aura from full map away. Cool. Huge. 3 fucking fangs. Yeah, I weren't keeping track of how they looked and stuff, so it kind of fucked me over. We needed to go for that obsession, but she were at a fucking thing, and she had people around who were just completely silent. Like, the sound being fucked in this game fucks you so hard. We didn't actually leave. Yeah, but they've gone. I can't get them now. It's not possible. I know that, like, if I get them and I pull them in, they get a free sprint burst into a body block. Like, it's GG. Deathbound the twins. You got it, and Wesker.